the crochet master.
Alright, yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Maurice, the crochet master, and just thank you so much for those ones who are watching from wherever you are. And yes, if it's possible, please just go right in the comment section, add where you're watching this video from. Yes, which country are you in? And now my client came with this short hair. As you can see, it is really very short, and she wants a style that can stay for around 1 week for her natural hair. And then she has told me not to add any hair extension you can imagine. And now I'm trying to figure it out. How can I do this and something that is going to last for all that long? So yes, let's do it together, because you know what I believe in, that everything is possible when it comes to natural hair. Yes, and if you also believe that, see what this is going to look like. And now I've realized what I'm going to do. You would say I'm doing my sketch, and yes, now these are the cornrows. I'm trying to do the basing, where I'm going to be adding my pins. Like these are like the basings, as you're going to see in the video. Yes, because at least I've already known how I can style it without any hair extension, and it lasts longer for her. So let's try to do the basing, and this is how it is going to look like. Just trying to do some cornrows since she doesn't want any hair extension. And this is what I'm trying to do. Yes, still, my name is Maurice, the crochet master. I work at Hair by Clippers, and that is Clipper with Z, located in Intinda, Ministers Village. Don't forget, we have the School of Beauty. So if you want your sister, your brother to come and join us, please, and if it is you yourself, you can come and also join us our School of Beauty, so that you can also start learning. And those ones who are very far, just know we have the online courses. You can also join that. Yes, so that you can just choose any course you feel like, and then you also learn that. So for now, I'm going to continue trying to style her natural hair without any hair extension and without gel, as you can see. And this is going to be simple. So let's do it. Now you can see where I'm pinning. I'm pinning on the other cornrow that I has based down. Yes, in the basing, the one that I had made. So these pins are going to hold my hair are going to hold it firm for my styling to come out. So let's do this together.
Easy life and twaze kuchigonza MDC here all bubu yaze kuchigonza, easy combi kunacho hair zigonza, no sanirire feeling atolina pain inina shampoo conditioner and treatment bisigo bya batona bakulu when check this bigonza nakabidi no.
Alright, so now, like whenever you see me doing all this, please just know that it is really very easy for you, and you can also do it. But first and foremost, yes, the long pins, you just do it. I just did it from at the beginning where you saw me, but now here just use the small pins, because they're the ones that can favor us when it comes to these small styling. So you can see the cornrows inside, and that is my basing where I can add my pins so that this hairstyle can stay firm, and it's what I'm trying to do right now. She wants something without any hair extension, and this is what we are trying to do. So let's keep continuing, and please, if you have any question, I would love you to go right in the comment section. Ask me anything you feel like, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. So let's do this together.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka,
Morris, the crochet master, did a Mac on you. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Crochet master. No, no, no. Touch of a crochet master. He's so good. Morris, the crochet master, did a Mac on you. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonjumye, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris, yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. Nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master. Crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No, no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No, no, no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Morris. Yeah, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Crochet master. Morris. You crochet master. Morris. You crochet master.